Thyme is an herb in the Lamiaceae family that does well most seasons of the year in the kitchen garden. Thyme can thrive far into the cool months of the year, but also can hang on in the heat of summer. Thyme grows quickly and looks lovely draping over the corner of an herb garden or along the edges of a kitchen garden. Thyme can be harvested often by reaching in and cutting right at the base of the plant, almost at the root level. Thyme will not regrow right from its tip, but would branch out if cut on the edge. My preference is to cut at the base to thin out the plant and allow the plant to drape down more on the corners of the bed, just like so. The other option is to come in and pinch the plant right before a branching nodule to send the plant into 2 branches rather than just 1. You can do this at any point in the plant's life, and it will continue to produce lots of lovely, lush leaves for you to eat all season long.